Organisation saves time, which is always of the essence for workshop operations. Scheduling is a vital part of good organisation. You can't afford to be dealing with out-of-sync repair work and broken units just waiting around. Increased downtime is costly and can lead to unnecessary overtime for you and your techs. With EMDECS's Scheduling Work tab, you have a clear understanding of what units are coming in, which techs are assigned, and the labour and parts required. Scheduling keeps your workflow organised, whether it's a single shop or multiple locations, all while displaying every relevant detail in an easy-to-view, always up-to-date calendar. Ensure timely repairs without extra downtime or burdening your technicians with exhausting overtime. Visit BrightOrder.co.uk to request a free demo with us today.